In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move deals between pipelines in Pipedrive. Let's start by getting into Pipedrive. Open your browser and sign into your account so you're looking at your workspace. Make sure you have permission to edit deals in your company's account. If you don't, you might not be able to move anything. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser, as it's easier to drag and drop with a mouse or trackpad. Once you're in, head to the Deals area. This is where you'll see your pipelines and the stages inside them. If you're in a list view, switch over to the visual board where deals appear as cards and columns. That board view is designed for quick, intuitive moves. Also, confirm you're currently viewing the pipeline that contains the deal you want to move. Filters at the top can limit what you see, so set them to show the deals you need. Now, choose the deals you want to move. Locate the specific deal card on the board. Check that the deal is open and not marked as won or lost, because closed deals typically can't be dragged. If you're moving more than one, it's best to handle them one at a time to keep things organized and to ensure each lands exactly where you expect. Before moving, glance at any scheduled activities or notes on the card so you know what's coming with it. With your deal selected, click and hold the deal card, then drag it toward the target pipeline. As you drag, look for a visual cue that indicates where the deal will land. When the target pipeline highlights or a drop area appears, release the card. The deal will move over and usually land in the first stage of that pipeline, unless you're prompted to choose a stage. All of the deal's core details, including notes, files, and upcoming activities, move along with it. Keep in mind that any stage-based automations, email sequences, or workflows tied to the new pipeline may trigger after the move, so it's smart to double-check the deal's stage owner and due dates right away. If the deal seems to disappear after you drop it, it's likely due to a filter that only shows the original pipeline. Adjust your filter to include the new pipeline and you'll see it again. If dragging doesn't work, try refreshing the page, ensuring you're on the board view, or checking your permissions. That's it. Go to Pipedrive, open deals, select the deals you want, and drag each one into the correct pipeline. Simple, fast, and clean.